I am the sky to your star. I am the end of your month. You are the start of my day. You brought the smile from my face.
Hi, thank you for bringing your car to Seoul, BMW. I'm certified technician working on your car today with the maintenance, perform the oil service and brake system flush. And on the multi-point inspection, check car stay in pretty good safe. Tires like almost a brand new, and 30 seconds at the front, and condition is looking good. No sign of damage or the alignment. Brake is still pretty good, above spec. Suspension part clean, and no damage file. Engine area and transmission.
And it's fire, bro. You got the puff jacket, okay? You should not fucking buy this shit. This is winter gear, gang. Yeah. Inside this.